Right, so I arrived at my happy place yesterday afternoon, and I was hoping to camp and take everything off my vehicle like I normally do. And unfortunately, they had some function on in the camp area new week, so I wasn't able to camp. But awesome management set me up with a chalet at a reduced cost, so that's awesome. It's not a very often for me that I stay in a chalet, but this is great, and thanks to the awesome management. There are loads. Right here in the campsite. Alright, so attempt number 3 to see if I can actually complete that track I've been trying. The weather looks a tad more stable today. The storm pulled through last night. Heavy rain right through the night. So who knows what this track's going to look like today. We'll have to go have a look-see.
That's where I'm headed at. Copy on top. What are those there? That's the waterbuck. Oh my god. It is. We've got some beautiful waterbuck right in front of us. Male and a whole bunch of females. Come on, Andrew. Gotta be slack ass. I love these things. The dung beetle. And they do have rights of way here, so even for the vehicles.
So I made it to the top that I couldn't get yesterday because of the storm. This, as I know, is the old lion enclosure. It's quite a climb to the top. It's a little bit of hard pedaling, but doable. And now for the decline, which is a lot easier. Might be a little slippy though.
I think I'm going to have to take a drive to the family huts. They have been renovating and rebuilding. That's far out that way, a lot more secluded, but awesome nonetheless. Yeah, you got to keep your peripheral vision cracking at all times. If you surprise a buck or a pig or anything, it's highly likely he's going to run right through you. Climb to the damn wall. That was a nice little leg stretcher.
Right, so I've taken a ride up to family huts. These used to be thatched chalets, but there was talk of them rebuilding, and as you can see behind me, that's pretty neat. It's a neat little design. I think there's 1 or 2 thatches left which they are going to get rid of. So we'll take a ride down and go see the rest and maybe get a better close-up of the family huts. It's quite high up and secluded, a little ways away from reception, but it's awesome. I can see the progress here. You can see the guys are still busy working. All their building materials are here. This used to be a thatch, and I think it got struck by lightning some time ago and burnt down. So they're doing away with the thatch. As I said, it's rather secluded, but I mean, the scenery out here is next to none. Pretty high up, so you've got a very good view. Yeah, let's go get a close-up of the new chalets. Yeah, so these were what were called family huts. Oh, it looks pretty neat, I like it. Can't really see much inside. Pretty small, but I guess they're going to do the job. And like I said, the views out here are awesome. But it's looking very good so far. It's really nice to see the progress on these. We'll go have a look at the older chalet, but I think the builders might be staying there. It's very awesome to see the progress on these. That's nice. Right, let's head back out. These over here would have been the older chalets with the thatch roof, and the outhouse and shower outside. There you can get a scope of the view. You can see all the building materials are here, so I presume the builders are staying here while they get the job done. Yeah, we have the other one a little further up, same design. Very neat though, I must say, they are very neat. Awesome. Back from the ride down to the family house to go have a look-see, and the weather is changing up once again. But I've stopped down at the dam wall, down at the bottom of the dam wall. I'm gonna wait a line and see if I can catch anything. Dropping 4 over the last 2 days has really cheesed me somewhat, so I'm even more determined. Right, so not the best birthday weather, a little overcast and rather windy, but I'm gonna take a cycle regardless. Just some random route and see what we come across. Okay, police got me. Oh, nice crocodile. Ooh, you blocked him. Alright, told me earlier. Young kudu behind the chalet. I mean, they're so beautiful. There she goes. I need some 2 of them. They camouflage so well. See, the vervets are back. I haven't seen them pretty much my whole stay, besides the first and second day until the baboons came through the back of the koppie, and then they all disappeared. What up, Mr. Monkey? Hey? Yep. Now the vervets are back. They scattered earlier. We had a couple of black eagles flying over, but now they're back here for the first time in days by me. And it's only because I'm cooking breakfast. You got to be so vigilant with them. They are like sneaky little ninjas, and will take anything. Take it. Watching you, punk. And there you'll see the big grader in the background. They've been working on all the roads. Just simple maintenance due to erosion and mostly from the rain. Yeah, good on you. Sorry for the dust. No worries. And that's how we level the roads. Awesome. Something moved in there. Oh, what the fuck's that? That's an otter. Woo! Alright. There was an otter that chased my lure. Oh, there he is there. Yeah, and there's no ways I want to be hooking that shame. So I think it's time to call it. This will be the group of English students that arrived yesterday from the UK. They're going on a night drive now. You get out the way. Watch out for the leopard. There we go. I knew there was something in this hole. Oh God. Afternoon.
Hello.
Guys enjoying the bush?
Yeah. Very much.
Good.
And I would like to.
Yes. Eventually. Come on, baby. That was right off the bank. Give me your mouth, give me your mouth, give me your mouth. Yes. Ah. Success. Ha ha. Ah. Right. Success. Eventually. Not my biggest fish here, but a beaut nonetheless. I was starting to worry I ain't gonna catch nothing. Fish lime on my phone and all, I don't care. Thanks, boy. Ah, eventually. Eventually. Woo!